So you're seeing the beautiful 10-month, block the month, welcome home in summer, all things we love, warm days, green grass, beautiful sunshine, warm temperatures, is really showcased in this very happy quilt. I think it made me very happy, a combination of Moda and Henry Glass with a few other fabrics sprinkled in there, exclusive to Shabby Fabrics here, this design. So as you'd expect, you're going to be getting your background fabrics with all of that applique, prefuse, and laser cut. We'll zoom in on the blocks and look at some of the really neat features that are included here. We love to embellish our quilts. To give this just a little bit extra charm, we could not resist adding some rickrack in the windows. Instead of just some straight lines, we thought that added a nice little country charm to our project. We've added a button embellishment to our doors. Of course, you need a handle to be able to get in that. We have a little bit of hand embroidery kind of sprinkled around just for some fun. The beautiful rays from our warm sunshine, the antenna for our flying butterflies, and so on and so forth, kind of the hollyhocks. This sign here, welcome home, right? We all know what that feels like, to be home and be welcomed home every time we come in home, our refuge, our safe place. Don't worry, that's not hand embroidery. That's what we call a knockout there, where the dark brown that's behind is showcasing through. We've laser cut the words welcome home. That's where one of our notions that I'll talk about in a little bit are gypsy quilter tweezers, just to pop those letters out, and it showcases through beautifully. So don't worry, you will look like an absolute pro. No one needs to know that's a knockout. Let's look at these quilts here. Talk about knockout and really advanced cutting here. Can you imagine cutting out this by hand? We have our white in the background with our red frame, perfectly laser cut for you. This is why people love our kits. We really thought everything through. So for 9 months, you'll be getting full-size diagrams, fabrics for the background, all of your laser shapes, rickrack as well. In your 10th month, your finishing kit is coming your way. All your buttons will be coming your way, the patchwork, your sashing, your inner border, your outer border, and your binding. So much fun for 10 months. A quilt that you have nearly invested a year in deserves the perfect backing. So when you grab your spot, be sure to reserve your backing at the same time. We have a limited amount, and that is the thread set we use to stitch down all of those shapes to the background. Now, on the table are the notions we use to put this project together. The thing I want to call your attention to the most is right here. Let me tell you, this is a magic combination that I will be demonstrating as well for supporting video. I'll be showing you that even before we kick off our program. This incredible combination, when used with our layout diagrams, allows you to take all of those individual shapes, peel off that backing, use our layout diagram with the beautiful illumination of the light box and the incredible engineering of the Applefuse mat to pre-assemble everything and to merge multiple shapes into one, allowing us to bring that onto the background as one piece. It's incredible. It's a game changer, and I cannot wait to show you that in the supporting video. The other notions are on the table as well. We'll just pan over that. Maybe there's something you're seeing that you want to grab. There are some smaller shapes. You might want to consider the gypsy tweezers. These are extra pointy. I love it. It's like an extra pair of hands. Maybe a fresh blade in the rotary cutter. Maybe you haven't changed your needle in the sewing machine for a while. You know what you need, so just be sure to check that out. But the most important thing, as always, block the months have limited availability. Reserve your spot, your backing, your thread set, subscribe if you haven't already done that, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.